children. Welcome back in your mathematics class. I hope you are completing your maths work in your class copy. Those who are not completing, please complete your work. According to your maths textbook, you have completed the book portion. In previous video of multiples and factors, I taught you about prime numbers, composite numbers and also about prime factorization. Till now, you know to find HCF by finding factors, but we can find HCF by prime factorization method also. So, in today's video, I am going to teach you how to find HCF by finding by prime factorization method. So, children, what is prime factorization? Finding factors of a number as a product of its prime numbers is called prime factorization. Suppose one question you have to, it is given here that find HCF of 45 and 30 by prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Then how will you do? So for this, children, here you have to do use division method, short division method. Like first number is 45. You divide it by prime divisors. So what are the prime divisors means? You can take the smallest prime number to divide it. So children, you know 1 is not a prime number. Which number you will take then? You will take 2. So children, is it divisible by 2? No. I taught you the divisibility rules also. So if in the ones place 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 is not present, then that number is not divisible by 2. Now take the next prime number. So what comes after 2? 3. So is it divisible by 3? Yes. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 and 9 comes in 3 table. So this number is divisible by 3. So those who know tables, for them it's very easy. Like 15 3s are 45. You can do it. Those who don't know, one method is that you know, divide it and then you are doing first digit 3 ones are 3, 4 minus 3 1, 5 is you have to bring down, 3 5s are 15. One is this method, so you are getting. And another you can use short division method, like orally you can recall that. First number take 4, 3 ones are 3, then 1 is in your that mind, 1 5 15. So 3 5s are 15. You can do this way also, children. Then 15. Again, is it divisible by the that smallest prime number, that is 2? No. This number is divisible by 3. So again you take 3. 3 5s are 15. You have to repeatedly divide this number till the quotient comes 1. Till now also quotient is not 1. Again you have to divide it. Now 5. Which number you have to take? 3? No, not divisible. 5. Then 5. Ones are 5. So we already found the prime factors of 5 also, 5 and 1. Now what you have to do? The prime factors of 45 is 3. Write down all this prime divisor. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So 1 we have already done. Now the second number we have to divide using the short division method, that is given 30. Let us divide it. 30. Ones place 0 is there. So we will take first 2 to divide it by 2. So 15 2s are 30. Or you can do that by using that short division. Don't do always the long division method. 2 ones are 2. 1 is in your mind. 1 and 0, 10. 2 fives are 10. Okay. Now 15. Is it divisible by 2? No. Then take the next prime number. That is 3. Yes. 3 fives are 15. 5. Again 5. Then 5 has, you know also 5 has only 2 factors. 1 and 5. You take 5. 5 ones are 5. See, now we got here the quotient 1. So we have done the division. Now you write down the prime factors of this number 30. That is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Now what you have to find? We have done the prime factorization. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the HCF. HCF is the highest common factor. So let us see. Here is 3 and here is also 3. 1 3 is common. Now next, here is 3 but here is no 3 and no more 3. Then 5. Yes, 1 5 is here and 1 5 is also here. So this 5 is common. So common factors you write down now. Common factors, here it is not coming. Common factors of 45 and 30 is equal to 3 multiplied by 5. That is 15. So here the HCF of 45 and 30 is 15. So children, now one more I will solve for you. Second question I have written for you. Find the HCF of 40, 48 and 72, but you have to use prime factorization method because I am teaching this video how to find HCF by prime factorization method. So what we have to do? We have to find the prime factors by using prime factorization of by each of these numbers. Like first one 40. Divide. Smallest prime number 2. 2 twos are 4, 0, 22s are. Now again this number is divisible by 2. So 2 ones are 2 and this 0. 10 twos are 20. Now again 2. 2 fives are 10. Now 5 fives are. We are still quotient 1. So this one is over. Now next here. Second one is 48. Divided by 2. 2 twos are 4 and 8 is here. 2 fours are 8. Now again this number is divisible by 2 because 4 is in the ones place, even number. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Again this number is divisible by 2, 12, very easy, 12 is coming in 2 table, 2 6 are 12. Now here this 6 divisible by 2 also, 3 also, even this 24, 12 also, but we are taking the first prime divisor. So these numbers are divisible by 2, so we are first dividing it by 2. Now 2 3s are 6. Now 3 ones are 3. This also over. Now next is 72. 2. Is it divisible by 2? Yes. Why? Because 2 is present in the ones place. Now 2 3s are 6 and 2 6 are 12. Again, yes, because again 6 is there in the ones place. 2 1s are 2 and here 1 is in your mind. 1 6 16. 2 8s are 16. Now 2 9s are 18. 9 is 9 divisible by 2? No. 9 is not coming into table. You have to divide it by 3. 3 3s are 9. Now again 3 1s are 3. So I have divided by using short division these all numbers 40, 48 and 72. Now you write down all the prime divisors of the numbers. Now first one is 40. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Then 48. That is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Then multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Next is 72. 1, 2, 3 times 2. 3 times 2. Then 2 times 3. Now next what to do? You have to find the common prime factors. Now here these two common. Now this is also again then 3 is present in 48 and 72, but 3 is not present in 40. Now 5 is present in 40 but not present in 48 and 72. So common factors are only these 3 2's. So common factors two multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So HCF of 40, 48 and 72 is coming 8. I can write the answer here. HCF of 40, 48 and 72 is 8. So I hope children you have understood how to find HCF by prime factorization method. Now children, I am solving some of the word problems which are based on HCF. One word problem I have written for you. Find the greatest number that will divide 22, 33 and 44 without leaving a remainder. Okay, this is your word problem. So what is asking? Greatest number. It means that greatest number is the HCF of these three numbers 22, 33 and 44. So what you have to do? You have to find the HCF by using prime factorization method. So you start 22 first. 22. Divide by using short division, not long division. 2. Yes, 11 2s are 22. 11. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Now 11. Is it coming in any table? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? No. 11. 11 is a prime number. You divide it by 11 only because 11 has only two factors, 11 and 1. So prime factors of 11. Quotient came here 1, so stop it. So prime factors of 22 is equal to 2 and 11. Next is which number? 33. Now divided by the prime divisor, first take 2. Is it divisible? No, because 3 is in the 1's place. So which number you will take to divide it after 2? That is 3. Is this number is divisible by 3? 3 plus 3, that is 6. 6 is a multiple of 3, so this number is divisible by 3. So children, we are using what you have learnt in this chapter, we are using and doing here. So 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, again 11, so 11 1s are 11. So here 33, the prime factors are 3 and 11. Next number is 44. Divide it by using the prime divisors. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Now 2 1s are 2 1s are 11. 1. So the 44, 2 multiplied by 11. Find out the common factors. The common factors, now we have to find here common factors. Factors. 2 is here, but 2 is not present here. So 2 is not common. 2. Now next number is 11. 11 is here, 11 is present here also, 11 is here also. 3. 3 is present in 33 but not in 22 and 44. So common factors of 22, 33 and 44 is only 11. So that is the HCF. That find the greatest number. So HCF again. HCF of 22, 33 and 44 is 11. One more I am going to solve for you. So the children, second question. Find the greatest number that will divide 33 and 45, leaving a remainder 9 in each case. So here the required number divides 33 and 45, leaving remainder 9. So the numbers are what are the numbers? 9 remainder. So you subtract 9 from 33 and you subtract 9 from this 45 also. So 33 minus 9 is 13 minus 9, 4, 24. And here 15 minus 9, 6, 36. So the required number now 24 and 36. You have to find the greatest number. 24 divided by the smallest prime number 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Again 2 6 are 12. Again 2 threes are 6. Then 3 threes are 1. Over. Next one is 36 number. Divide it by taking the smallest prime number 2. Yes, this number is divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16 now. 2 nines are 18. 3 threes are 9 and 3 ones are 3. Over. Now write down all the prime divisors. First the prime divisors, prime factors also 2 multiplied by how many times? 3 times. And 1 time is 3. And for 36, 2 times 2 and 2 times 3. Find out the common factors. Yes. 2 is here, common. Another 2 also, common. 1, 3 here. These are the common factors. So, common factors you write down. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 2 twos are 4, 3s are 12. So here the greatest number is 12. That will divide 33 and 45, leaving a remainder 9 in each case. So the HCF is 12. The third question is find the greatest number that will divide 39, 52 and 65, leaving remainder 3, 4, 5 respectively. So this question somehow looks like the previous question which just now I have solved, but in the previous question the remainder was same for both the numbers, but here remainder is different for these three numbers. So we have to find the required number. What? So required number to find out, first number you take 3. So you have to subtract 3 Now 9 minus 3 is 36. Now in for second number remainder is 4. So you subtract 4 from 52. 12 minus 4 is 8. So your number is 48. And for third number the remainder is 5. So you subtract 5 from the 65. So here is 60. Now next step is you have to find the HCF of this 36, 48 and 60. If you take these numbers, then your answer will come wrong, because here remainders, the question clearly it is written that remainders are there for each of the numbers. So now you start dividing it by the short division method. 36, 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are. Now 2 9s are 18. Next is 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 1. Children, I hope you are understanding. I am doing little fast here, but before I have shown you. Next is 48. The another one 48. Divide it. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Now 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 1. Over. Now next number 60. 2 3s are 6 and 0. 32s are. Now 2 15s are 30. Then this 15 is not divisible by 2. You take the next prime number 3. 3 5s are 15. 5 is also a prime number. So 5 has only 2 factors. 5 ones are. I have done the prime factorization of these three numbers. 36 also, 48 also and 60 also. Now next you have to find the prime, that common factors. Before that you write all the factors, prime divisors. So here for 36, 2 times 2 and 2 times 3. 2 times 3. Next is 48. How many times 2? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2 and 1 times 3. Next is 60. For 60, 2 times 2, 1 times 3 and 1 times 5. Find out the prime factors. 36, 2 is here. 48 also, take 1 2. 60 also. Next, another 2. 2 here also, here also, here also. So, this also common. Now, next number is 3. Okay, this 3 is here also, and here also. Now, 3 is here, but no other 3 is present in 48, even in 60 also. 5 is present in 60, but not in 48 and 36. So, the common factors are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So, HCF is equal to, multiply this. 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So, I hope children you have understood how to find HCF by prime factorization method and how to solve word problems based on HCF. Thank you children. Next video I will teach you how to find LCM by prime factorization method and related word problems.